If you're an artist or maker trying to grow your business, today's video is all about diversifying your sales platform. We'll be diving into how you can use eRank to research selling on Facebook Marketplace. I'll also share tips on what kind of products work best on Facebook, what to watch out for, and how to target the right audience. So let's get started. Why diversify your selling platforms? One thing I can't stress enough when it comes to selling your art or handmade goods: diversify, 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 diversify. If you're only selling on one platform like Etsy or eBay, your business is always relying on that platform. Popularities can ebb, and you're always at risk if the worst happens and your shops close down, although this is rare. And of course, you're missing out on a huge pool of potential buyers. Each platform has its own unique audience, and tapping into those different demographics can make a big difference for your business. While Etsy might be great for highly targeted niche audiences looking for handmade items, Facebook Marketplace brings something different to the table. It's massive, has a wide range of age groups, and it's super localized, which can be a game changer for some artists. Facebook Marketplace connects you with people in your area who are actively looking for deals, unique finds, and sometimes one of a kind artwork. But just like any platform, you need the right strategy to make the most of it, and that's where tools like eRank comes in. If you're familiar with eRank, you probably already use it to optimize your Etsy listings with better keywords and insights. But did you know you can also see trends and search keywords on Facebook Marketplace there too? From the keyword tool, you can search any keyword just like you would for Etsy, but using the drop downs here or here, you can change to the Facebook data. But honestly, Facebook Marketplace is a very different animal, so the keywords you're used to might not be being searched for that much on Facebook Marketplace. So if you draw a blank, I like to start in the Trend Buzz tool and select Facebook Marketplace. Now, with a paid eRank subscription, you can see the top 100 search terms that real people were typing in. As I said, it's a very different animal. BMW. It still amazes me that people buy and sell cars on Facebook. But immediately you might get some ideas of things you could sell. Not even the items you create, but perhaps spare items that you don't need anymore. You could free up for some extra cash. And you can niche down by clicking on any of the keywords to be taken to the keyword tool for that phrase. In my case, I'm looking at bookshelf. You can see the countries share. The US, Canada, and Australia are loving bookshelves on Facebook Marketplace. Then scroll down to the keyword ideas section, and we can see the types of bookshelves that people are looking for. eRank also shows you the seasonality of these keywords with the search trend graphs. So if Halloween is just around the corner, eRank might highlight that spooky themed home decor is trending, which gives you a golden opportunity to create products like custom designed Halloween decorations or pumpkin themed crafts. Now, let's talk about Facebook's user demographics, which are key to figuring out what kinds of products to sell or if Facebook is even worth it. Facebook is still the biggest social network worldwide with over 3 billion users, 500 million more than second place YouTube. And unlike platforms like Instagram or TikTok, where the majority of users are younger, Statista tells us that Facebook has a more balanced spread. You'll find users in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond, making it a prime platform to reach a wide range of buyers. And also surprising to me, they also state that men between the ages of 25 to 34 are the largest audience on Facebook. I wouldn't have guessed that. What's interesting is that older users, let's say 35 and above, are very active buyers on Facebook. They tend to be more financially stable, own their own homes, and are often looking for unique home decor, personalised gift, or practical handmade items like furniture, kitchen goods, or gardening supplies. So what kind of things can you sell as an artist on Facebook Marketplace? Here's a few ideas. Custom furniture or decor. If you're into woodworking or upcycling, large items like tables, chairs, and shelving units can sell quickly since people are often looking for unique functional pieces for their homes. And as we just saw, many of the top searches are for furniture items. Jewelry and accessories. Handmade jewelry is always in demand, especially if you cater to different tastes. From bohemian to minimalist, use eRank's keyword tool to stay on top of the fashion trends, not just with the Facebook data. Check out what styles are popular on Etsy and Pinterest. Personalized gifts, things like custom mugs, name plaques, or even hand sewn goods, can catch the eye of buyers looking for something special, and it's fast heading to that gifting time. Arts and craft supplies. Hands up amongst us who has supplies for products that were never quite finished. It's the curse of the crafty person. So, Facebook Marketplace might be a good place to pass on those extra things. While Facebook Marketplace has lots of upsides, it's not without its challenging. Here's a few to keep in mind. Scammers. Unfortunately, Facebook Marketplace can be prone to scam buyers or sellers. Always vet potential buyers and avoid anyone who asks odd payment methods or offers to send you money or a check. Keep yourself safe there. Communication overload. Since Facebook operates via messages, you might get overwhelmed by people asking questions, negotiating prices, or just not responding to you. It's important to stay patient and set clear guidelines in your listing to avoid wasted time. Shipping and delivery. Unlike Etsy, Facebook doesn't have like shipping labels or any kind of shipping management, so you have to arrange this on your own. If you're selling large items like furniture, you'll need to figure out those logistics, whether it's offering local delivery or letting buyers pick up their purchases. Competition. Facebook Marketplace can be crowded, especially with mass produced items. To stand out, use high quality images and clear descriptions. Hopefully, we're all ahead of the average as we've been practicing doing this on Etsy for years. At the end of the day, Facebook Marketplace is an incredible tool for artists who want to reach a broader, more localized audience. Using eRank to optimize your listings can make a huge difference in how often your products are discovered and sold. Just make sure you're aware of the potential pitfalls and stay smart about how you manage your listings.